Okay, this is a quick video on how to put the pocket tags together from the Witchy pocket tags. And I printed these two-sided. There are sheets to print on if you want. But I like to make mine extra thick, so I printed them on two different pieces of paper and glued them together. So I am also a fan of inking everything. So we're going to do that really quick. And you see how, let's see if you can see that or not. So sometimes when you cut, there'll be little white edges, and this is why we ink. So once you ink it, it disappears. And I am a fan of black ink. But you can use, I like Tim Holtz. I do use Memento, but they run out of ink really fast. But you can use this distress ink, the tea dye color. A lot of people like that. To me, for what I always do, it doesn't seem like it shows up. So I use the black soot, which I have a larger one coming today, thankfully. But anyway. That's basically all you do. And you can make everything darker if you want. You can just really rub it in the edges. And if you do want to do that, I'd put a piece of paper under your workstation so that you can really just smooth it and rub it all in and make it look how you want. So this is this side. You're probably going to have to do the other side too, just to make it look great. And I am just trying to hurry since we're on a video. Okie dokie. That is all done. And now, this is the pocket part. So once you cut it out, let me see if it's even on there. So once you cut it out, it's going to be in this shape. And here is the blue sheet that I haven't cut out yet with its little tag. So here's the same thing, as you can tell, for this tag. And you can actually mix these colors up, but I think for this purpose, my purposes on this, I'm going to leave everything together. So I usually use a flat edge to fold. So what you do, let's move this out of the way so you can see better, is you're going to line up, like there's a little point here and the corner there. You just simply fold it over with your hands. That's all you do for all of these parts. And then once you get it to that point, you can take your flat edge again and just really crease it down. I like a bone folder. Just whoosh. So got it in there. And then I have no idea how to say this, and I can't see if the camera's focusing or not because I'm too short and it's too high up there. But it's Sookwing double-sided tape. This is very strong. I've made actual junk journals with it, and they've lasted for years and years. Or you can use, oops, I hit the camera with my face. Something like this, a crafter's tape. This is sticky, messy tape to me. But if you're in a hurry, especially doing a tutorial or something like that, it works great. But for sturdiness and long-lasting projects, I suggest this. So I double layer it. And then the other tool that I use to take it off is an X-Acto knife. We're going to do the insides first. You just peel it up. And let's see if you can see the sticky state on there. I hope you can see it. I think you can see it. And get that one off. And I did that one on purpose first so that I can go ahead and start sticking these to it. And I'm sticking to it. Okay. Oh my goodness, I'm sticking to it. never had that problem, but I've never been on tape before doing it. So, okay. Now we're ready to tape it to our tag. And let me see if I'm on camera. Yeah, I am. And just simple as that. Line it up. Press it down. Voila. It's ready. We can put our girl in it if we want, which she hasn't been inked yet. We can put our little tag in it. And since the tag is different on the back, you can switch it up, make that look cute. We're going to have a lot of other things that we're putting in here. So this is just a quick tutorial of a partial of the kit. So the kit does come with a lot of little goodies as well. And it's not up in the shop at this current time I'm making this video, but it will be when I get it up. All right, thanks. Bye.